Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. In our healthy lunchbox recipe, today I will show you how to make a healthy roti which is specially good for diabetics as well as weight management, PCOS, thyroid and many others. And along with it, I will make a tasty Beerekay Pappu, that is a kind of dal made using this Ridgegourd known as Beerakay. If you think Jowar rotis are difficult, this easy lunchbox recipe may change your mind. For making this healthy high protein roti, I have taken half a cup of Jowar flour. Along with it, equal quantity, that is half a cup of Besan or gramflour, which is full of protein. This is also known as chickpea flour. And to make rolling out the roti easier, I am adding half a cup of a regular wheat flour or atta. Now add salt to taste. These are carom seeds, also known as ajwain or omum. We'll just crush this and add to the flour. I am also adding 1 green chilli finely chopped. Now mix all the dry ingredients well together. Add water only a little at a time and make it into a soft dough. When it all comes together, I am just adding half a teaspoon of oil and knead it well together. We will cover it and keep the dough to rest till we are done with the remaining jobs. Use tender rich gourds, wash them well, just trim the edges. You can peel it. Now chop it into pieces like this and keep it aside. One small tip here, whenever you chop a rich gourd before cooking, eat a small piece and see. Sometimes they are bitter, so then it might spoil the entire sabji. So if it is bitter, you can discard that. Also peel and chop 1 large onion, keep it ready. One small tomato also chopped. And 4 to 5 green chillies. Also soak a small piece of tamarind in some water and keep it aside. Here I have 1/4 cup of tur dal and 1/4 cup of moong dal. I will wash it first. So in your pressure cooker, first add in the dals, add in the chopped Ridgegourd, green chilies, tomatoes and onions. We will make it all together as a one pot dish. Just add 1 cup of water. Ridgegourd itself will give out some water. Add some haldi powder and about half a teaspoon of chilli powder. Now pressure cook everything together for 2 whistles and switch it off. The pressure has released naturally. Let's open the cooker and have a look. The dal and vegetables have all cooked very well. Just take a whisk and give it a good mix like this. See, it has all become uniform now. You can adjust the consistency. If you want a little more dilute, you can add a little bit hot water to it, or you can keep it as such also. The tamarind has soaked well. Just squeeze out the extract. Remember, we have not yet added salt to this, so just add the required quantity of salt and then add this tamarind extract also to it. and allow everything to come to a boil once again. See, our Beerakay Pappu is again boiling well. It has reached the perfect consistency. Now I'll switch it off. I'll just transfer it to my serving bowl. Add a few fresh coriander leaves to it. For the tempering, just heat a spoon of oil. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, cumin seeds or jeera, channa dal, 1 dry red chilli, a little bit of hing. Now this is 1 clove of garlic, optional. It is actually good for health. If you like, you add, otherwise you avoid it. And a few curry leaves. Just fry it till the garlic is also well roasted. Now pour this tempering on top of your pappu. So our perfectly done, tasty Beerakay pappu or Ridgegourd Dal is ready. Now we are ready to make our rotis. The dough has rested well. We can just take out small portions of the dough and roll them into balls like this. We'll just roll it out as we would do for a normal roti. But roll it a bit carefully because we have used Jowar and Besan, which are both gluten free. If you want a perfect circle, you can use a lid to cut out, but I like it to remain in the rustic way as it is. Now put it on a hot tawa. Meanwhile, you can roll out the second roti. You see bubbles on one side, carefully flip it over and cook the other side also. We can just smear a little ghee for added softness. Allow it to cook well on both the sides. And our healthy roti is done. If you want to avoid the ghee, you can, but personally I feel ghee is a healthy fat and we are adding just smearing it, not even adding half a teaspoon, very little bit. Our healthy Jowar and Besan roti is ready. This way, by cutting with a lid, you can get perfectly shaped round rotis too. They not only look good, they are very, very healthy and tasty too. Pairing roti with vegetable curry, as we have made this Beerakay Dal today, creates a satisfying balanced meal. So here we have made a healthy, well balanced meal with fiber from our Ridgegourd or Beerakay, lot of protein from the dals as well as from Besan, and the benefits of Jowar millet. Easy, simple to make. Try out this recipe, share it with your family and friends, and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.